How do I edit the lunch menu page? When I push the visual builder button, it just goes order online page and it just stuck there. I want to input days and hours we serve lunch menu. Okay, so here's the order online page referring to lunch menu. Let's take a look at your lunch menu. So here's your website, here's the order online page, and here's the lunch menu. And what you want to do is you want to tell your customers what time you're serving lunch. And you want to know how to make changes to that. So let me show you how to do that. So remember, your order online page has a special section of where you can make the changes. So let me show you where that is. So when you go in the back end, remember this is the order online page right here. It's called Clover Orders, okay? You want to change from here, not from here. You're doing it from here. See? Let me show you what I mean by that. See, you're doing it from here. If you want to change the order online page, the settings, you do it from here, Clover Orders. Click on Settings. This section here controls your order online page right here. So you have all these buttons here. So if you want to change that, you click on categories and items, click on lunch menu, press the edit button right here, and you can say lunch menu 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. like that, okay? So watch, when I do that, you don't have to press save, just do that and then go back here and then refresh the page. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh it now. See, look, before I refresh it, it just says lunch menu. So when I refresh it, give it 1 second. Okay, now it's refreshing. Okay, see, there you go, lunch menu, 11 to 3. You see that? See how I did that? What I did was I did it from back here. Here, I did it from right here. That's how you change it. So again, when you come back here, when you get this, when you watch this video, come back to where I am right here and then put your hours. Because I'm not sure exactly what your lunch hours are. So I'm going to leave that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it the way it was. So when you watch this video, press Clover Orders, Settings, Categories and Items, and Lunch Menu. Okay. If you want to make further changes, like for example, let's say you want to change something else. Let me show you what I mean by that. Click on Store Interface. You want to change something else, press Customize, and you can change the colors. See how it says Display Show More, and it says On? You could actually turn that off. So what do I mean by that? This button right here called Show More. So let's see how many items you have. You have a decent amount. Again, I'll leave that up to you. But if you wanted to not say Show More, you can turn it off. See, I'm going to remove that. I'm going to press Save Options. Now I'm going to go back to the order online page and then refresh the page. Look, once I refresh the page, it will no longer say Show More. See, it'll just show everything. Okay, you can do that if you want. I recommend you doing that because you only have 4 categories and it's not a long scroll, so your customers will be okay with that. But if you have like 40 categories or 30 categories, then I don't recommend removing that. But in your case, I think it's best to do it that way because I can quickly skim through your menu and say, hey, I want to order this item and then add that to my cart. Okay, and then once you do that, of course, you add it to your options. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, this you can also change the color of this. So for example, see how you have this like blue color to your website? You can make that blue too if you want. How do you do that? Right here. Right here. Categories font color right here. So what you would do is you would find that font color, and then you put that number here. Okay. Categories. Sorry. Background color right here. Okay. So background color you would do right here. Again, you don't have to. These are optional stuff. Just look through here and you can make those changes. Okay. And that's how you do all that stuff. Again, the changes are done from here. Clover Order Settings. You can also do this too. Let me show you something else. I'm going to go back here again. So this is your regular page. Let's take a look here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Store Interface. I'm going to choose a different interface for you. I'm going to choose actually number 5. Okay, number 5, and then I'm going to press Save Changes here. Look what happens now that I changed to Store Interface 5. You'll get a whole new look. See, it'll look like that now. So the reason why it's showing like this because you don't have a picture for the categories. So if I actually add a picture to the category, it'll show it on there. Let me show you what I mean by that as well. I'm going to click on Settings. Again, when you get this video, go ahead and make changes to it, but I'm just showing you some examples here. Seafood and add-ins. Let's add a picture to this one. Seafood add-ins. I'll just add this picture right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and refresh it again. Now seafood add-ins will have a picture. There you go, see? I have seafood add-ins and then I have that. Now when I click on seafood add-ins, I have the pictures for all of them, right? So again, decide which one you like better. You can have this store interface or that one. And you can see which one you want to go with. And let me show you something else before I go. Let me go here, go back to store interface. If you're going to add description to it, I would recommend enable descriptions right here. Show item description right here. This will allow you to show item descriptions under item images, so you can enable that too. What that means is, like let's say people want to know what this live crawfish comes with, you can add a description to it. So let's say I'm going to go right here, see your descriptions. Crawfish, and right here, live crawfish. Okay, so yeah, $13.99 a pound. Okay, so what I'm going to add a description to it. I'm going to say this tastes great with sauce. Okay, I'm going to press save now. Now when I go back here, this thing will say this tastes great with sauce. If I did everything correctly, it'll say that. So let's double check. Yep, there you go. This tastes great with sauce. Okay, so again, you can add description to it too. I'm going to go ahead and remove that because I'm pretty sure that's not the accurate description. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. But when you get this, since you know your menu better than I do, go ahead. You can add description to it. It's optional if you want to. If you don't, I'm gonna go ahead and change it back to the original. So feel free to play with it. It's got a lot of features to it. So, and also I want to remind you, since you're just opening up, I highly recommend Perfect Coupons. Let me show you where that is real quick. Coupons right here. Sorry, it's under settings. Checkout settings, and right here, coupons. It's called Perfect Coupons right here. So when you enable it, you can print coupons on your Clover and then have it redeemed on your website. Okay, so let me show you how that's possible. Okay, so just search for type in perfect coupons, or just perfect, and you'll see it. It's right here. See it? This is the one I'm talking about. This will integrate and connect with your website, especially if you're opening up brand new. I highly recommend this app because you can print out coupons on your Clover, and then your customers can take that coupon, and then it will print that on your Clover, and it can be redeemed on the website. Okay, so for example, see grand opening, you can make something like this if you're opening brand new or have a special thing. You can do that. See right here. Here's the code. They put the code in, get the website, and then here you can put your URL. Again, just download this app, and then you can see the benefits of it. All right. Hopefully this video proved helpful. Thank you again for your time.